The second thing that was interesting about this project was that it has the highest level of sustainability that we could accomplish. We fully expect that this project will be certified LEED Platinum. And then the third part that we think is interesting is we used a radically different contract structure for this project. One of the things that I do in the U.S. building industry is I do a lot of work on standard industry contracts for the American Institute of Architects. The AIA, the American Institute of Architects, writes the agreements that the U.S. building industry uses, none of which we used on this project. We wrote our own contract that said no one has any liability and no one is getting paid unless we accomplish the goals of the project. So the project had a schedule goal, a budget goal, and a sustainability goal, all three of which were met, and the architects and the engineers and the contractors were paid their compensation based on those goals. But we did not separate the payments. So if we didn't make the budget profit was not paid to either the architect or the contractor. If we didn't make the schedule, the same. We spent about $12 million on that project. It was done completely from the hiring of the architects and contractors to the day we moved in 9 months. So we met our budget, we met our schedule, got, I think, decent design quality, and we were able to try some very radically different ideas for how we executed the project.